Riding a motorcycle looks easy until people start making decisions. These are motorcycle moments that felt wrong for very obvious reasons. This girl's technique is pretty unique. Never seen that before. Pretty sure neighbors love him. When you and bro are the same, Monster Brotherhood is going too far. My girl is going crazy. This guy is definitely MotoGP ready. Crazy stuff. Moto horsing is actually my new favorite sport. Look at this stuff. I'm getting jealous. What is my guy doing? That's actually so sick. I want one for myself. She tried it, and I respect it.
I love your bike.
Hi, thank you.
Oh my god, you're a girl?
Yes, bitch. I look like a boy.
I thought you were a guy.
It's cold.
Stop, Soleil.
Generational aura loss for this guy. Yeah, I wonder why he's doing that. That's why motorcycles are better option.
You gotta do the video.
I already did.
Wonder why she did that. I would die internally if this happened to me.
Oh my god!
Crazy new technique unlocked. Landing gear activated. This is actually my first ever YouTube video. If you can please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more.